We are going to unbox the Boomslang harness for Haltech Nexus R5. Nice packaging. Wiring pin out and closed. Do not discard. And here we are, Boomslang Haltech Nexus R5, 93 to 98 Toyota Supra 2JZ-GTE. So the packaging looks like this. Let's open her up. Has a funny smell in there. So there's the report here. It says that it passed their tests. I wouldn't know what I'm looking at anyway if I opened this up, so set that over there. Comes with a Boomslang sticker. 2 Boomslang stickers. A white one and a green one. So this is the harness, the Boomslang harness. Let's see. So I don't know what plugs in where. I am no wiring expert. Looks very high quality though, in my opinion. So the purpose of the Boomslang harness is to make the Haltech Nexus R5 be direct plug and play with the 2JZ-GTE. At least that's how I understand it. I'm not going to actually plug this in, but this should go directly into one of these. Yep, fits right there. I don't know which goes where, but those look like they fit. Cool. So it looks like at least 3 of these fit directly into here. So again, I'm not a wiring expert, so I don't know what else is going to get plugged into this while it's all inside there. But anyway, this is the Boomslang harness for Nexus R5 and for the 2JZ GTE. That's going to be it. Okay, bye.